Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar, student of Lucknow University, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Department of Civil Engineering, and I'm going to present my seminar. My seminar topic is Micropile and Prospectus and Challenges. Introduction. A micropile is a small diameter, drilled and grouted replacement pile that is typically reinforced. A micropile is constructed by drilling a borehole, placing reinforcement and grouting the hole. Micropiles can withstand axial and lateral loads. The use of micropile has grown significantly since their conception in 1950s. 1952, first introduced in Italy for foundation restoration of World War II damaged buildings. In 1960s, widely used in Europe for underpinning old sensitive structures. Mid 70s, first introduced in USA. 1980s, being introduced in East Asia. Classifications based on design application, based on grouting method. Based on design application, case 1, micropile elements which are loaded directly and where the pile reinforcement resists and majority of the load applied load. Case 2, micropile element circumscribes and internally reinforces the soil to make a reinforced soil compost that resists the applied load. This is the diagram for directly loaded case 1, and this is the figure for micropile arrangement case 1. Reticulated pile network with reinforced soil mass loaded. Micropile arrangements. Now, based on grouting method. Based on the method of grouting is generally the most sensitive construction control over grout or ground bond capacity. Grout to ground capacity varies with the grouting method. Type A, gravity grout. Type B, pressure through casing. Type C, single global post grout. Type D, multiple repeatable post grout. Type A. Here the grout is placed under gravity head only using sand cement mortar or neat cement. Type B. First, in this type, neat cement grout is placed into the as the temporary steel casing is withdrawn. Second, injection pressures varies from 0.5 to 1.0 MPa. The pressure is limited to avoid fracturing of the surrounding ground. Type C. This is done in two-step process. As of type A, prior to hardening of the primary grout, similar grouts injected one time via a sleeve grout pipe at pressure of at least 1.0 MPa. Type D. This is done with two-step process of grouting similar to type C with modifications to step 2 where the pressure is injected at a pressure of 2.0 to 8.0 MPa. These are different methods of grouting. Construction sequences. Installation process in accordance with the requirement of NBN EN 1536 1999. Positioning and drilling of the first section of the drill casing. While drilling, the drill casing inside equipped with a drilling head fixed on a rod is isolated into the soil. As the drilling process progresses, soil is removed from the borehole by the evacuating and additional sections of casing are joined to protect the soil collapsing into the borehole during drilling. After reaching the design depth, cleanup of the borehole front, removing drilling tool, drilling fluid pumped out of the bore and formation of the pile, that is, insertion and lowering of the reinforcement cage, pouring of the concrete. During the continuous concreting process, the temporary casing elements are progressively withdrawn, whereby the concrete forms the pile shaft. Micropile construction sequences using casing. Challenges: cost, slow and time consuming. Risks: cost. Price depends on reinforcement type, volume of the hole, grouting method, location because of accessibility, Length or quality of piles, high steel, high labor cost. Grout, fabricate cage inside compared to mass production of precast RC pile. Specialist technology expensive, few players in the market. Slow and time consuming because of the following factors. Although drilling rate alone is high, adding or dismantling of rods manually, installation slash extract of casing time is consuming, manual inside fabrication of cage on site, fixing of couplers, spacers, welders, time takes time, manual mixing of cement grout, high rig breakdown, mostly hydraulic, estimation of soil or selection of drill bit, difficult slowdown drilling during drilling. Applications. First application is supporting new loads in congested areas, seismic retrofit, arresting structural settlement, resisting uplift slash dynamic loads, underpinning evacuation support in confined areas. Case study of micropiles in Canada. 7 kilometer long 4-lane highway, 104 west, river bridge, 141 meters, two twin spans in Antigonish, Nova Scotia, Canada. Supported on 152 micropiles, 4x abutment and 2x central piers, characterized by varying thickness of overburden with cobbles and boulders, soft mudstone, bedrock. Slopes of valley 4% to 7%, max factored axial compressive loading 1586 kilonewton per micropile. Micropile depth 15 meters to 33 meters. Case study of micropiles in India. The Border Road Organization (BRO) used this technology for the first time in India to build a all-weather road to Daulat Beg Oldi, a forward post along the India-China border in Ladakh. Altitude of road 16,696 feet from mean sea level. Kolchevang Renchen Bridge was constructed in a record 15 working months after its foundation was laid in 2017, adding that it was built using the innovative micropile technology for the first time in Asia. Advantages: micropiles are often used to underpin the existing structure where need of minimum vibration or noise is of prime importance. Micropiles can be easily laid where low headroom is constrained. Micropile can be easily installed at any angle below the horizontal using the same equipment used for ground anchors and grouting projects. Do not require large access roads for drilling platforms. Conclusion: use of micropiles is versatile in side ground improvement technique and has been used very effectively in many stability problems. API pile system provides good compression performance in terms of lateral stability and vertical movements. Tension piles can be economically reinforced by bar system. Micropiles can be costly option to support lateral load and bending movement. These are the references for the following seminar. Thank you.